So what are the characteristics of good and bad research question? Let me show you one example, and then I will tell you the answer. So here, tell me, the first question, this question is good or bad? Does owing a pet improve quality of life or of older people? This is good or bad question?
Owing pet improve quality.
Just for you have pet, you have pet, or that animal, you have pet animal, that you have some cow in your house, you have you have some like dog, you have cat, so it will help your life quality. Good question or bad question? The first one is good or bad?
I think it's good.
Good. Okay, fine. And the second one, in what ways does owning a pet improve quality of life for older people? See, here they ask you another way. In what ways? Okay. Only having the pet is not good. Okay. But in what ways? So this is, frankly speaking, this is bad, this is good. This is bad, this is good. Okay. This is bad, this is like the second option is good. Okay. Okay, fine. So let me just say you the context, because inshallah we will repeat this thing again in the next class. So this is complex. This is very easy question. Only having pet maybe improve our quality of life, yes or no? This is a yes or no answer. But this one, see, you have to do research. In what ways? Okay, you have a pet, you have a cat, but you are not spending time with it. Okay, you are not feeding it, you are not carrying it, so it will not improve your quality of life. Am I right? So you have to identify in what ways. This is called good. So it should be complex, it should be focused, it should be specific. We have already discussed this characteristics beginner. Can you recall it? Yeah, at the beginning. Okay, so these are the example of good and bad research question, and you should say this thing again from the slide, and give the answer of this quiz. Okay, quickly.
Research.
What can be the answer of this first question? The quick review. Yeah.
Who and where?
Who and where question? Please, Mehdi, what is the answer? He said, Abdullah says this one. Mehdi, what is the answer? Which one make the good research question? Yeah. Tell Azizul Haq, which one is good?
I think open-ended question.
Okay, this is called
Yes, sir,
Azizul.
open-ended.
Who is open-ended? Mehdi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Joanna, what is the question? Good question. Joanna Khatun, can you hear me? Okay, fine. We are running out of time, so let me help you. Basically, this is open-ended question. Am I right? Who and where? This is very simple. Who did this? I or you? Where? Okay, in America. This is not research question. Okay, but for learning, it's okay. Okay, so open-ended question. It should be open-ended. Okay, like in what ways? Okay, keeping pet is improve life quality of the elders. In what ways? There should be many ways. So this is called open-ended. Understood? So it should not be who, where, what, like this. It should be open-ended. So thank you for your participation. Yeah, we already discussed. Let me, you will tell me the second question answer. Okay, inshallah. Okay. Okay, what is the answer of this question? Joanna, at first. The question is, how effective are Coca-Cola's marketing strategy in marketing to the over 60 demographic, 60 countries? So it is a research question or thesis statement? What is this? A thesis statement or research question? Joanna, what is your answer?
Research question.
Okay, what is answer of Abdullah?
I think it's research question.
Okay, what is the answer of Mehdi?
It will be thesis assessment.
Okay, what is the answer of another person? Azizul Haq.
This is thesis statement.
Okay, let me clear you. The thesis statement should be a general statement. Okay, it can be like this: measuring effectiveness of Coca-Cola marketing strategy in marketing over 60 years. Effectiveness, measuring effectiveness like this. It should be a general statement. When you say how effective, so it will be a research question. Okay, it is, and the easy way to understand this, there is a question mark. Okay, no problem, no problem. It's okay. We are learning.
So we use a thesis statement or the research question in research title.
In the title, we should use the thesis statement, but when you are doing research in objective or you are analyzing, you should use research question. Yeah. In the title, it should be thesis statement. That's why I put,
thank you, sir.
This is I collected from a guideline here. You can also explore, no problem. Okay, quiz, last quiz, yeah. Start with Azizul Haq. Yeah, what is the answer?
Which of the following are health development system? So class reading means.
Okay, class reading. Okay, fine. Who answered?
Okay.
Azizul, yeah? Another?
Yes, sir.
Serially, Mehdi, which one? Mehdi, which one? Abdullah, which one?
The first one.
All of them, I think.
Okay, Abdullah, Joanna, which one?
All of them.
Yeah, this is all
It
of
might
them.
be
It is
all
all of
of them, sir.
Yeah, why? Because you saw which of the following are helpful when you're developing research topic? That is, review the class reading. You can also find some interesting topic while your teacher is lecturing or giving idea. So now I am talking in different issues. You can also find a interesting topic for my lecture. Am I right? So this is called class reading.
Yes,
and you should also research subtopic that you are interested in. You should consider that which is interested in, and then do background reading on the internet. You should search on internet, ResearchGate, Google Scholar to support that evidence is there on your topic. So I think this is the ending of today's lecture. In the next lecture, we'll cover hypothesis and some facts and what are the variables in hypothesis and how to set hypothesis and how to set research question, hypothesis from research question. Today I discuss from research topic to research question. Then we will see how to convert research question to research hypothesis. Okay, inshallah. This is another interesting lecture. Inshallah, we'll cover it soon. Maybe within this week or in the next week.